8% of 60 is 1/5 of what number? If you want to try to work this on your own, you can pause the video now. Okay, 8% of 60. So let's start with that. We want to know what is 8% of 60. So to find any percentage of any number, we take the number 60 and we're going to multiply that by 8%. Well, remember, we can't really multiply by percentages, so we move the decimal 2 places to the left to make it into a decimal. So I'm going to do 0.08 times 60, which would be 480. So that would be 4.8. I put my decimal in the wrong place. Sorry. It would just be 4.8. So now 8% of 60 is 4.8. So now the question reads a little differently. It says 4.8 is 1/5 of what number? So 4.8 is 1/5 of what number? Well, I could multiply 4.8 then by 5 because I've divided the original number into 5 pieces. It's 1/5. So I take 4.8 and multiply it by 5, and that would give me 24. So 4.8 times 5 is 24. So the correct answer here would be C, which is 24.